let's start project 1 by posterizing our continuous tone photograph that we found to use to create our illustration from. So for mine, I found this image. For yourself, you're going to want to find your own image. So it can be a person, a landscape, an animal, your own image that you have taken yourself, or it can be something that you found online. You could try Google Images, collect several images that you think might work for this project, and try them out in Photoshop. We're going to posterize these first, which means we're going to take this continuous tone image and we're going to reduce it down to 5 values of gray. So there is a demo file that you can use for practice. Okay, so this is the one that I'm using for my demo, and you're welcome to use it to practice, but again, for project 3, you're not going to use my image, but you're going to use one that you find or make yourself. So let's download this. I'm going to right-click and choose Save Image As, and I'm going to save it into a folder. I already have downloaded it, but I'm just going to do it again for demo purposes. Okay, and then we can go to Photoshop. So in Photoshop, go ahead and open up your image. Now I have a duplicate here, but it doesn't matter which one I use. I'll go ahead and use this one. All right, so I have my continuous tone color image, which is the type of image that you should find. And we're going to, first of all, convert it to grayscale. So let's go to Image and Mode and choose Grayscale. And just discard the color information. Next, we're going to go back to Image and Adjustments, and let's choose Posterize. All right, so you can see immediately this takes our continuous tone of full range of values that smoothly transition into each other, and it reduces it down to 4 distinct levels. So this was just by default. Now when you go into Photoshop, yours may be at a different number of levels, but it doesn't really matter. What we want to do is we want to reduce our image to 5 levels. And we can use the slider to change the number of levels. 2 is the minimum, which basically makes black as one level and white as another level. We can go all the way up to 255, which is really indistinguishable from a continuous tone. So it might be easiest if we just type in 5 levels. Type in the number 5, and so what we have is black, white, and then there are 3 different values of gray in there to make a total of 5. And we can check, uncheck our little preview button, and we can see the difference. All right, so this is the type of image that you need in order to start creating your vector illustration. So let's just hit OK. And let's go ahead and choose File, and then we can save this, or you could do a Save As, and you could rename it if that makes sense for you. So maybe you would want to rename this template image. This is just a suggestion. It doesn't matter that much. Template image BW for black and white, or 5 levels. Again, these are suggestions. It's just whatever makes sense for you, and just go ahead and save that.